Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Subhakant, the motivational speaker. So wish you all happy Independence Day for all Indians. Today is the proud day of all Indians. So in this Independence Day, I bring a most powerful topic, and that one is the recipe of success. You know what? Before you listen from anyone, perhaps from your friends, yeah, from your parents, the recipe of some cooking items like some foods and some beverage. But today I will discuss about the recipe of successful life, how to be successful in your life, and it will be change your all the thinking. So watch till the end of this video. So first of all, you have to promise with me in this Independence Day you will change your life anyhow, because you know in this world don't care about ordinary guys, ordinary life. So in this world want only the successful persons, care about successful persons who are doing something big in their life. So you have to promise yourself that yes, I have to do something big in my life. So let's start my video in the recipe of successful life. So the recipe of successful life is there are the four ingredients of this successful life. So first thing is uh, focus. Second one is hard work. Third thing is never give up. And fourth things is patience. First of all, first I'm just discuss about the focus. What is focus? The matter is whatever you are doing in your life, it does not matter whatever you are doing job, you are doing a startup, you are doing a business. You have to focus in your mind. You have to first determine what you are doing. You have to determine your base. You have to integrate it. So then you have to you will be achieve something else. Without focus you cannot achieve anything. So focus is the most important things in a successful life. In second point, hard work. Why hard work is important? Some persons are told hard work is never pay off. But in this video, I will prove you how hard work will be pay off. Yeah, obviously hard work is pay off. But when hard work is pay off, hard work will be pay off when it will be going in the right direction. First of all, you will just examine whatever you are doing in your life, your hard work is the right direction or not. This is the most important things in successful life. If you are doing hard work, first you have to determine your hard work is in the right direction or not. If your hard work is not right direction, then you will never be achieve something in your life. You will never be successful in your life. So you just lost of your energy. So first you imagine then what you have to do, then you are doing hard work, and just make your hard work is in the right path. It will be right path. Hard work need right path. When hard work is come to the right path, then it will be work. Obviously 100% it will be work. Third things is the patience. You know what, nowadays so many persons are want to be successful, but they don't want patience. They don't have patience. They don't want to delay in their successful life. But just remember one thing, you cannot be successful in your life overnight, because nobody in this world can be successful in overnight. It is a process. First of all, you just think in your mind, success is not a aim. It's a journey of your life. Success is a journey. So one of the most famous businessman, Jack Ma, who is the founder of Alibaba, once he told, today is bad, tomorrow will be very bad, but day after tomorrow will be shine. But many peoples are die tomorrow evening because they don't have patience. If one person is failure in the first things, then he is the give up in the second things. Why why you all guys are think that success is very easy? Yeah, successful is very easy, but you have to patience. You know, the top class investor in the world is Warren Buffett. One day, one interviewer asked to him that, Mr. Buffett, your investing plan is very easy, but why most of peoples are don't using your investing plan? Because you know what Warren Buffett replied? Warren Buffett replied, because people want to be successful in overnight. Okay, so this is the matter. If you want to be successful in your life, so just remove in your mind that in success I will achieve in a overnight. It's not possible. How can you in a overnight? It's not it's not possible. Not you don't you just out, it's out of your imagination. It's not possible. So in successful life, these all are the ingredients of like hard work, patience, never give up, and your focus. And last thing is the never give up. So that that one is patience and never give up are the correlated. Okay, these two are the same things. So